Okay, so today I'm just doing a quick little video of how to remove a power steering pump pulley from the pump. It's actually something I learned today because I've never done this before. So putting a new seal kit on this pump, and to do that, to change the front main seal, you have to remove the pulley. So I went to O'Reilly's. They have this little kit. It's got all the little pullers and stuff in it, and basically you use this little guy here, and it has these two little clamshells that fit around. You see there's a little groove in there. You set that in there, and if you run this all the way down, it fits right underneath there. Put the other one around. There's a sleeve for it, and that holds the clamshells on there. You can finger tighten that, it'll hold itself in place. Got a 5/8 wrench and a 13/16. And then you just walk it off. And you hear that? That's popping off, so it's coming. Huh. Well, if you put it the right way, you see there's a big side and a small side. If you do it wrong, it won't work. You can see there's two different sizes, and the smaller side goes down and it fits a lot tighter. I got it one way and the other way, so that's why it started coming sideways on me. There. Take those off. That guy comes out. Pulley is removed. Then you can take your shaft right out of there. I'm gonna have to get a punch to finish pushing that through, but the shaft comes out easy enough, and then you can replace the seal that you can see is well, it's leaking. Hope you learned something. Have any comments down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But hopefully I'll put the seal kit in here and we won't have any more leaks.